Hey guys, welcome to the Credit Game. My name is Mike. I just found something and it looks like it says, Happy Thanksgiving, everybody. Hey, I appreciate being on the channel. I'm the only credit channel that does this every single day so you guys can learn credit tips, tactics, and everything you need to know about credit. And I make sure that I want to thank you guys just on this thankful day here. I really appreciate you. We are currently closed today. But one of the things I want to share with you, you're going to want to stick around because I want to share with you one of the most important things you could ever do as an adult, and that is fix your credit. Almost everything. When we're talking about getting a new vehicle, when you're talking about all the things that are coming up this year, and then FICO, look at what you can do with great credit. Get a new house, get a new car, better interest rate, get a high limit credit card, take a loan out. I mean, you can pretty much do anything, right? As an adult, we need to have good credit. And for that reason, and it being Thanksgiving, guess what we have tomorrow? Well, we have the biggest, largest sale in the United States, and it is called Black Friday. And for that, for you guys, their subscribers, specifically to you, I am doing an amazing, nobody ever does this, an amazing deal. And that is this. You guys are getting half off any one of my programs, whether that's associates, that's bachelor's, that's master's, that's PhD. You might as well take advantage. I'm giving 50% off any package, number one. Number two, you guys are also getting elite credit repair, the fastest credit repair on this planet. That means it results in 60 days or less. We're not talking about the old school format of sending out letters. We're talking about proprietary software to be able to connect directly with the credit bureaus and get you the fastest results, literally going into 21. Like, think about going into the new year with phenomenal credit, right? And then on top of that, I'm going to give you 50 to 70% off of Tradelines so you can access to get age on your credit that you may or may not have. Tradelines are simply the fastest way to raise any credit score and any profile. So guess what? Happy Thanksgiving. But I'm going to tell you something. The phones are going to be off the hook coming in tomorrow morning. We are opening up shop at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time tomorrow morning. So as you're watching this, make yourself a calendar invite. Put yourself a notification in your phone because the phones will be unbelievably off the hook. And I'm telling you something, when I'm giving 50% off of any program to help you guys out, you can only imagine with 33,000 clients what's going to happen. I want you to take advantage of Black Friday. This is my thanks to giving back to you guys and all the appreciation for being a subscriber, for being with me for the years, to helping me grow the fastest YouTube channel on credit in national history. And for that reason, when you call in, say I'm calling for the Black Friday special, get half off of any one of my programs, free elite credit repair to get the fastest credit repair on the planet. You're going to get the proprietary letters inside my education course. You're going to get 75% off competitor prices on Tradelines, and I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do inside the education platform so you never have to pay a credit repair company again. That's the education. Because reality is this, it is so easy to be able to get you to an 800 credit score. And what the problem is most people, when they get there, they end up going backwards because they don't know how to maintain. So what I do is I share with you inside this education, I mean, literally like everything inside this education platform is geared to maintain so you never go backwards again. So here's what I need you to do. 904-420-7772. That's 904-420-7772. Call me right now. I'm giving you half off any of my programs and elite credit repair for free with that purchase there. Thank you guys for watching. Happy Thanksgiving. We love you. We appreciate all your subscribes and thanks and love and everything. And I will be talking to you in a few minutes. Again, remember this, we're not starting till 9 o'clock tomorrow morning. So 9 a.m., the phones are going to be off the hook. And I want you to get a spot. I can't do a lot of spots, but for you guys to call in, 50% off everything. Have a great rest of your holiday. Happy Thanksgiving. And I'll talk to you tomorrow morning sharp. Call me right away so you can get in on the deal at 50% off. 904-420-7772. My name is Mike from the Credit Game. Take care.